Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So today is Saturday night, and I wanted to play with some makeup, so I thought that I would bring you guys along. Also, I had a request to do a purple look, so this is what I came up with. It is inspired by my favorite artist, Mitchell, of course. I hope that you guys like it. Also, I wanted to try some new makeup that I purchased. I purchased the new Morphe Foundation and their concealer. I don't think this concealer is new, but I just wanted to try it out, see what it was like. Also, I purchased Trend Mood's makeup box. Trend Mood has these makeup boxes and they feature different brands every time. So this box, which is I think volume 11, the box was $44 and it featured a lot of brands that I wanted to try. Well, a lot of products that I wanted to try, which one of them was One Size Beauty from Patrick Starr. It came with a full-size primer and both of his powders in translucent and dark deep, which I tested out today. It also came with a few eye products that I used. Really pretty, from Danessa, Myricks, and Kat Von D Beauty. Also, this serum, which I didn't use because it's skincare, and I have to test this out to see if I like it. But this is $90 and the box is $44, so I think that's crazy.
This is 1 and this is 2. It's called math.
So when I said you could have 2, that's how it works?
Yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and if you want to see how I did it, please continue watching. So first I'm going to take the Plouise and MMMMitchell Acid Rain Paint in Ecstecy. I'm just placing this as a base. So this is the look that I'm trying to recreate by my favorite artist, of course. Trust the process. Okay, so now I'm gonna take his palette with Beauty Bay because it has these shades, and I believe that's what he used. I think I'm gonna add some of this shade, which is Ibiza. I'm gonna take this Smith 247 brush and I'm going to start on the outer corner. I'm taking Motto and a little bit of Morgan. Just gonna mix these. Taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna go over the edges. So I'm going to take a tiny pencil brush, bullet brush, the Morphe E18, and just place the color Motto right over top. I'm just going to take the color Miles High and place it in the middle. Now I'm gonna take the Danessa Myricks multi-chrome pigment. I'm gonna take it in the shade Young Love, and I'm gonna pick it up on any brush really. Just tap it in like that, and I'm just gonna lightly pack it on. I'm taking it like up to my brow bone so that in certain lighting you can see it go up like one line. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna add the Be Perfect Cosmetics Stars Glamour Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna use the Patrick Star One Size Beauty Secure the Blur Primer. Wow, that feels really nice. Okay, so that went on really nicely. Sometimes primers, even they say that they're like pore filling or whatever, and sometimes it feels like it's really clogging your pores, but this one does not feel like that. And it still feels like it's blurring my pores, so that's really nice. I'm gonna color correct just a little bit. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe foundation, and I'm just gonna go directly on my face, or not. We'll start with that for now. And I'm going to take a flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna spread it around. Okay, this sponge is humongous, like humongous. I don't know if you can see the difference. I don't like this. Okay, so far it looks really nice, right? But I feel like I look a little pale, so I don't know how I feel about that. And it feels a little drying, but it doesn't look drying, so maybe that's just me. So now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. It's a little light for me. Okay, so for cream contour, I'm gonna take my Graftobian. This is well loved. This is not new at all. I'm just gonna mix like 2 or 3 shades. So now I'm gonna take the One Size setting powder, which is the one thing I really wanted to try today, in translucent. I'm gonna see if I can use the dark deep shade to set my contour. Hopefully it's not too dark. So I'm just taking it and really like patting it off. And let's gonna start all the way back here. So I'm just gonna use this Morphe blush palette. I'm gonna pick up this pinkish shade and this one. These are very pigmented. Be gentle. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go back in with the Pat McGrath highlighter trio. I'm actually gonna mix the two, but mostly get some pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that flat brush. And I'm gonna go in with Model. I'm gonna go along the whole lash line. So instead I'm gonna take a pencil brush and go in with that color. And I'm gonna go in with the lavender shade, Miles High. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that. And I'm going to just blend out the edges. Make it really smoky. I'm gonna take blank canvas and I wanna go right in the inner corner. And I'm gonna take this shade Milkshake. And I'm gonna pack that on top of that. We are hella nude. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. I think I'm gonna do like a color series. So I know I started with purple, which is the end of the rainbow. So I'll just work my way backwards. But if you guys want anything specific, please let me know. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or week, wherever you guys are. I love you guys. Thank you so much.